Alright, well, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, today I got 7 even today because you know that I'm very happy or I'm the glad none today. I'm very totally impressive today. I got a best, teacher. His name is Fahmi Hanifa beside me here. You know what? Every single week, every single time, share something about English, share something about, new vocabulary, about the idioms, anything about the praise, about English, culture English, states in United States, state in, US, exactly, sharing something about, culture, about sharing about the languages, sharing about anything about the history, about the art, exactly. And then I'm very happy because I meet again with the best student. I'm not talking or calling about his name is Rian, talking or calling him like student is the best friend worldwide notice. His English very totally impressive me, very totally awesome, very good than before. Right, today I want to discuss or share something my idea or opinion about. Is it important to learn as for a language in this era or this day and the end of the day, or you know what? Alright, let's state it foreign language. You know what? I'm not talking about you have to learn like English, Russia, Mandarin, Japan, and then China, and then Spanish, Italian, Esperanto, Dutch, anything what I want to learn, Korea, and then Thailand, anything about that, Thai, Malay, Bahasa, whatever you want to learn. But from this to the end of the day, not only people, but also anyone can speak English, including Mongolish can speak English. One more time, remember my words, you know what? Don't be a fan, you know what? When I say like that, from this to the end of the day, not only people, but also anyone can speak English, including Mongolish can speak English. You know what? This is my wise word exactly. You know what? Since 2010 time, I have invite a lot of people, a lot of students, a lot of my friends invite to join with English club at the time. 2010 time. My experience to learn English 2009 at the time until 2020 now, almost 12 years start learning English, and now I'm still learning English. The best in worldwide. His name from Mr. Fahmi Hanifa here. This is the best in worldwide nowadays. Every single every single week visiting here to join with us here to teach about English here. This very make me impressive, make me very tolerant and glad none today. I have no idea seen hit by coronavirus, about 2019 September the time. A lot of my friends couldn't coming visiting here just because those people are afraid of the coronavirus. Don't worry about that. Even though nowadays the coronavirus spread worldwide nowadays, and then still existing nowadays, I never get nervous or never get give up to learn a foreign language. I focus for learning English because I'm preparing for visiting tourists from Europe, United States, now ambassador visiting the United States exactly. I'm going to hold them, I'm going to accompany them, I'm going to get